Hi everyone, I'm Gujot Singh. I'm here to present the news article about the new abortion pill policy in northern Manitoba, an important step, but access still limited. Advocates, which was posted on October 5, 2020 by CBC News. In this article, the two women, Christiana and Destiny, who lives in northern Manitoba, as each woman had a young daughter and they knew that having another child wasn't a right option for them. In northern Manitoba, there was not any medical facilities for the abortion. Due to that, these women are traveling to Winnipeg for the abortion, which is quite long and expensive journey for both the women. For addressing the problem, a new policy is formed by the community members in the northern Manitoba health region. It was implemented in July, which underlines 2 points. Practitioners who don't want to prescribe mifegamyso, a drug which prevents pregnancy. The rules are meant to protect the health of women within the northern health region. There are now at least 4 people and 2 in Thompson trained to provide medication abortion. Nurses in the region are also getting education on supporting and caring for those patients. However, many people oppose this policy as people were being shamed and denied services. This policy is an important step in improving access, said Dr. Nitin Gilroy, the medical director of Women's Health Clinic Abortion Program. It signals to patients and provides that they have the health region's support. Furthermore, as we already discussed, the policy formulation in which means the problem of public is being observed and solutions were made accordingly. Similarly, in this news article, women are facing the problems of traveling costs, especially it is hard for a single woman to afford to travel and rental expensive, which near about $1,500 for abortion treatment in Winnipeg. However, in northern Manitoba, they had a limited doctors for treatment of abortion. Women of northern Manitoba were required to book appointment with the new doctors in Winnipeg instead of their family doctors, which makes them uncomfortable to discuss their problems openly. Overall, the policy instrument authority plays an important role to guide certain behavior as authority, command, and control regulations. For instance, doctors cannot make a whole decision, they need to follow the rules and guidelines of government. If they will cross the limits, they will be given punishment or fines and doctor might lose their jobs. The authority must analyze and aware the public about the pros and cons of the pill. The authority must ensure the safety of abortion patients. Thank you. Have a good day.